The IKLC, International Kangaroo Linguistic Contest, is a wonderful opportunity for students to sharpen their linguistic skills and think critically. Hosting a session at your school, the unique school system, for explaining and preparing for the IKLC will surely help students feel more confident and prepared. Having structured preparation sessions, like discussing past papers, practicing question types, and focusing on time management, can greatly enhance students' chances of success. If you'd like, I can share more tips or resources that might be helpful for this kind of contest.